ABK election results had been out and 13 new members were elected within the districts. And following up the results, an oath taking ceremony is happening here at the Horticulture Auditorium, Pasighat. So let's have a look at this beautifully organized ceremony.
Ilong mo kagong pupan naman, bote pa kagong pupan ng kamang only ng request nolo takama apa na tinibo sa rima, mani ko kiyeren ralbul laika, tolbul laika, advice laika, lugon mapaka, pohon mapaka, negative ang kom lolanga, motu negative ang kom lobang manami ko, aru mo retail mae, mo negative man may ilit pa lang masilo ilit pa milo, lunang daido, ang lang umanggap do, ang mga kaya advice ko na dia mo personal WhatsApp lokom direct pakaban na bilang ka lang mo ayo ka kundum
takam moge angong adi community lo mo erang colleagues kidar biro kidar ani kidar aw kidar takam ame kumbe kidar la sort pe agom ko hilo ke longa hi adi history lo ge duyar pe na ko team system hi me Ito nam dalo ABK lo imato tingolo first time bibeng adum debang en ani bijoy ke ibonam program hi ayron ako dame ko idong 15 June 2025 lo hilo ka program organize ko na ekdam ayron ate ko apna लोग लोगों tradition है मैं मोल बॉम्बे लाई के इना में हम कोई का
आज हम लोग का न्यू ABK टीम का जो ऑथ टेकिंग है स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी है एंड देन हैंडिंग एंड टेकिंग ओवर था एक हिस्टोरिक ओकेजन था फर्स्ट टाइम ABK में ऐसा हुआ है प्रीवियसली ABK का कोई भी कॉन्फ्रेंस में आफ्टर सिलेक्शन और इलेक्शन वो उसी वेन्यू में होता था तो जिसमें हौच पौच होके लास्ट डे में होता है एंड प्लस उसमें फिर आदमी नहीं होता है स्पेक्टेटर्स क्राउड एंड ऑल तो हम लोग इस बार ये सोचा कि न्यू आइडिया कि why not fix it on a very different date from the election or selection venue so that people we can also invite other community leaders to witness the oath taking or swearing in ceremony of the leaders of ABK. So we had fixed it today differently from the earlier ABK teams. This was it.
Sir, taking notes from your speech, you said that every exit has a new entrance. So with the current position that you hold in the ABK Apex, what are the projects you will work on, and despite losing this time as the seat of General Secretary?
Now, as I say, whatever conditions, under whatever circumstances come, I'll always be working for the Great Adi community, for the welfare of the Great Adi community. And given the chance of serving our society, at any period of time, at any place, I'll always be there. I'll always be there with my visions. I'll always be there with my own personal presence in any of the Adi issues or whatever comes.
So any specific project you look forward to, like the dam issue?
Yeah, in the dam issue, yes. I want to clarify here. The ABK in our tenure had taken the decision that after due consultation with the honorable MLAs and MP, and then after due consultation with the senior Adi officers, and after due consultation with the district presidents and the central executive body members of ABK, that we have no issues with the government or any project proponents to go for the PFR, pre-feasibility report. We were okay with it. We took a minute decision, but it wasn't submitted even to the government. But the sad thing is, that decision was taken, उस डिसीजन को बिंग अकोम योसुंग जनरल सेक्रेटरी था ABK में, आउटगोइंग प्रेसिडेंट तादुम लिबांग जी वाज द प्रेसिडेंट. तो उन्होंने ये डिसीजन लिया, पर उसका जो बैकलैश बाय द कम्युनिटी, बाय द एंटी-डैम पीपल, सब बोलने लगा विजय ताराम ने किया, ये किया, वो किया. आई वाज़न्ट इवन द जनरल सेक्रेटरी दैट टाइम व्हेन दिस डिसीजन वाज टेकन.
सर, आपने जैसा बोला था कि आप ये डैम इशू को लेकर आप डिफरेंट डिपार्टमेंट से इंजीनियर्स लेके इससे और इसके अंदर देखेंगे, तो आप इसको थोड़ा और डिस्कस कर सकते हैं.
हाँ, डैम इशू के बारे में I will talk to the NP party also, pro party also, and the construction agency also, government also. ABK will play the role of mediator.
Sir, how will you maintain the legacy of communal harmony?
Communal harmony के लिए I will do my best. तो अपटानी कम्युनिटी हो, निसी कम्युनिटी हो, गालो कम्युनिटी हो, इडो कम्युनिटी हो, इसके लिए हम लोग अपना जो काम है वो बरकरार रहेगा आगे में.
What particular actions will you be taking
regarding
the communal harmony?
लास्ट टाइम तो ये फॉर्मर जो प्रेसिडेंट एंड सेक्रेटरी, इसमें अपतानी कम्युनिटी और जो गालो कम्युनिटी का तो कम्युनल हार्मनी के लिए सबमिट भी हो गया. तो अभी आने वाला दिन में हम लोग निसी कम्युनिटी और इडो कम्युनिटी से हम लोग कोशिश जारी रहेगा.
As of today's gathering, we witnessed the presence of community-based organizations, the Adisu GWS Galo Welfare Society and Adi Supundukun, an Apatani-based organization, congratulating the elected ABK members and encouraging an everlasting bond. We, Adi community, now look forward to the upcoming positive changes which will hopefully occur with our new elected General Secretary and President joining the office from today onwards. It was reporter Anjali Payang with my cameraman Krishna Prasad, Eastern Post.